how to return and get refund items on AliExpress. So if you want to return and get refund items on AliExpress, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your AliExpress application. And if you don't have the application, you can also go with your browser. Once you've logged in, you can go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. And here you may have orders option. If you don't have orders, then you can go with the profile, which will be on the top right. And from the profile, it will take you to your account section, and here you will have my orders. You can tap on view all, and once you have your orders, now if you want to return and get a refund on the items, then you need to select the item that you have ordered. So select the item that you've ordered, and then you will have remove option. You can tap on remove, or you will have refund option. Cancel the item at first. After canceling the order or the item, you will have the refund or return section. You can tap on return, and this way you'll be able to return and get a refund items on AliExpress. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.